Welcome to the MicroMolar podcast, Biotech Signals series. Today is Wednesday, May 6, 2026.
Let's get right into today's signals.
Bayer is acquiring Perfuse Therapeutics in a deal centered on a Phase 2 eye disease asset. This marks a return to selective pharma M&A for Bayer and gives it a potentially valuable ophthalmology program.
GSK signed a deal worth up to $1 billion with China-based Saran Bio for a metabolic oligonucleotide program. The deal shows Big Pharma is still aggressively chasing next-generation obesity and metabolic assets beyond GLP-1s.
Cellcentric raised $220 million to advance its oral multiple myeloma drug toward market. The financing is one of Europe's largest private biotech raises of 2026 and signals confidence in differentiated myeloma approaches.
Novo Nordisk's oral Wegovy has reached 1 million patients and generated $355 million in sales. The early performance shows strong demand for more convenient obesity treatments and strengthens Novo's position in the GLP-1 race.
Novo says CagriSema launch plans remain unchanged despite dropping a single-chamber delivery device. That suggests the issue is with delivery execution rather than the drug's commercial strategy.
Intercept's next-generation FXR agonist failed a Phase 2 trial. The setback raises fresh questions about FXR biology and adds pressure on the company's liver disease pipeline.
Coralis reported Phase 2 data supporting a genetic approach in sporadic ALS. If confirmed, this could expand genetically targeted ALS therapy beyond rare inherited forms.
Recursion's new CEO is refocusing the AI drug discovery company on practical near-term value. The shift marks a move away from broad AI hype toward clearer clinical and financial proof points.
Avalo reported a Phase 2 win that could strengthen its position against AbbVie. The data are encouraging, though a strong placebo effect may complicate interpretation.
Vertex discontinued its inhaled mRNA cystic fibrosis program with Moderna due to tolerability issues. The decision is a setback for inhaled mRNA delivery, even if learnings may guide future programs.
Recent FDA gene therapy decisions highlight a growing evidence problem for the field. Developers may need larger, stronger, and more controlled datasets to secure consistent approvals.
HHS is facing criticism after transparency promises were undercut by disclosure gaps. The issue matters because trust in regulatory communication is becoming increasingly important for industry and public health.
Takeda reported a Phase 2/3 win for a drug aimed at improving treatment convenience. Better administration could help Takeda defend its position in established specialty markets.
Pfizer CEO Albert Bourla said the company is not pursuing a mega merger. Pfizer appears focused instead on targeted deals and internal pipeline execution after several mixed acquisition outcomes.
Sarepta, Amylyx, and Neumora are heading into key catalysts after Q1 earnings. Investors are watching closely because each company needs upcoming clinical or commercial milestones to validate its strategy.
Parsley Health is moving in-network nationwide. The shift could expand access to its virtual and hybrid primary care model while showing payer interest in prevention-focused care.
Drug resistance is being framed as biotech's next major frontier. The argument is that resistance should be built into discovery strategy early, especially in oncology and infectious disease.
A UK cancer biotech raised $83 million to advance its pipeline. The financing adds to evidence that oncology remains one of the stronger areas in a recovering biotech funding market.
Swiss biotech and manufacturing leaders say they remain mostly unfazed by geopolitics. Switzerland's stable operating environment continues to be a competitive advantage.
Altitude Labs is training scientists to become biotech founders. The program reflects a broader push to professionalize company building in life sciences.
Sanofi is investing $294 million to scale its Toronto AI hub. The move strengthens Sanofi's global data strategy and shows continued pharma commitment to applied AI.
Those are all of the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to MicroMolar.
Visit micromolar.com for more information. See you next time.